So we're gonna take this very rough fence picket and make it into something beautiful that is very functional. Hello and welcome to the channel. I'll start off by planing the board. If you don't have a planer, this is something that you can use an orbital sander, for example, to take out most of the roughness on the material. And here's what the board looks like after some good planing. It looks nice and smooth on one side, well, both sides, because I did plane both sides. I then trimmed off the bottom part of the factory edge, and then it was time to make the cuts. Hey, I just want to share a quick encouragement that for this project to work, or for any project to work in general, you just need a little bit of faith and some action. Once all the parts are cut, I just did a quick dry fit in there, and then I assembled it using wood glue and some brad nails. And then that was it. I didn't bother staining it or adding any finish to it. It looks nice the way it is. I think it would be best to use a dark stain because of the wall that I'm putting it up against, or it can be painted with a dark color. But it all depends on the color of the wall you'll be placing it against. You want to have some good contrast, so a darker stain or paint for a lighter wall, and vice versa. I hope this build inspires you to go build one. I hope you would actually build a better one than the one I did. And if you did build one, or you have already built one like this, please share it in the community tab. I would like to see what yours look like, and maybe I can learn something from you as well. That is what this community is about, so we can all learn from each other. To mount it to the wall, I'm using 2.5 inches Craig screws. And that's about it for this one. I hope you will build one of these, or you can share it with somebody else who might be interested in this. Until the next video, I hope you will have a tangible experience of God's love today. Take care and God bless. Feel free to check the playlist showing up on your screen right now for more builds like these using a fence picket.